We'll guide you through how to use masking in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the edit page where you have your footage ready in the timeline. To start masking, you need to select the clip you want to apply the mask to, and then go to the color page. Once you're there, look for the Window tab on the right side of the interface. This is where you'll find different masking tools like the circular, rectangular, and the pen tool, also known as the power window. Choose the shape that best fits your needs. For example, use the pen tool for complex shapes. Click and create points around the area you want to mask. You can adjust these points by clicking and dragging them to fine-tune your mask. After creating the mask, you can track it if your subject is moving. Do this by going to the Tracker tab, which is right next to the Window tab. Here, you can use the forward and backward tracking buttons to let DaVinci Resolve automatically follow the movement within your mask. If you need to adjust the feathering or softness of the mask edges, go back to the Window tab and use the softness sliders. This helps in blending the mask more naturally with the rest of the footage. Finally, you can apply different color corrections or effects to the masked area to achieve the desired look. Just head over to the Color Wheels or Curves tools to start making your adjustments. Remember, masking is a powerful tool to isolate parts of your footage for targeted color grading or effects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.